Hello viewers, this is a tutorial on how to automate edit pin on Pinterest using Socinator. If you want to create board sections to organize your pins, then Socinator can help you out. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your Pinterest account and hit Go to Tools. It will take you to the Account Configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on Pinterest through Socinator. Let's scroll to the right and click Edit Pin. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to edit pins on Pinterest at configured time. So there are two configuration categories for edit pin activity. Let's start with the first one, Edit Pin. So here you can input the pin settings of the pin you want to edit. So first is the board where the pin is located. So let's say you want to edit this particular pin. So the board is cat. So let's say the description is cat pictures. Since you want to create a section for that specific pin, let's say kitten for example. For website URL, copy the web URL here. Then for pin ID to be edited, so copy the pin ID here. Then paste it. You may also click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click Open. So when you're ready, click the Add Pins to the List button, and it will be added to the pin list over here. So you can see the board, the description, the section, the website URL, the pin ID, and the Pinterest account. And the Action tab over here will allow you to remove the pin setting. So if you want to delete a pin setting, then simply click the trash bin button on the right side and it's gone. So let's type again. So cat pictures, let's say kitten, and same pin ID and the website URL. Click add. Success. So the last one is job configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should edit pins. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow with an average daily activities of 166, medium with 250, fast with 416, or super fast with 500. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each pin is edited. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after editing the number of pins you set in number of edit pins per job. Number of edit pins per job will allow you to specify the number of pins to edit per job or per cycle. You may also specify the number of pins to edit per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of max edit pins per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep editing pins even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, Monday for example, provide the start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. and click Add Interval and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day, let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click Add Interval. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking Create Favorite. Let's call it Pinterest Edit. Click Save. We can then open it by clicking Select Favorite Time and choosing Pinterest Edit. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start editing pins on Pinterest, let's scroll up and click Save. Success. After saving, let's click the Status button to make it active. Now that it's active, let me show you another option in automating edit pin on Pinterest using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the Social drop-down button and select Pinterest. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Pin Poster tab and select Edit on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. Let's call it Pinterest Edit Pin. Then for pin setting, let's use the same from earlier. So cat pictures. Section is kitten. Website URL, the same website URL. Then for the pin ID, copy, then paste it here, then click add. So success. Then for job configuration, let's select slow. When you're ready, let's click the red button, create campaign. If you want to proceed, click your account and the save button. This will automatically bring us to the campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our Pinterest Edit Pin campaign. Click the status button to pause the campaign, and the action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.